Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by creating the database and a low-privilege user. This reduces risk if the app is compromised. Once done, install a server-side runtime like PHP or Node and enable the proper DB driver so you can build a REST API. Make sure the server is reachable from your development machine and note its IP or domain. Finally, prepare Android Studio by adding internet permission and set up a basic HTTP client dependency so you can call the API securely. Now implement the API endpoints that perform queries using prepared statements. This prevents SQL injection and keeps logic on the server. Once done, structure responses as JSON and add simple authentication, such as a token or basic auth to avoid open access. Make sure you test every endpoint with Postman or curl and validate both success and error responses. When endpoints behave correctly, you can move on to Android. Map JSON fields to model classes and implement client request/response parsing. In Android Studio, add a networking library like Retrofit or OKHTTP and define service interfaces matching your API. Then create model classes for JSON mapping and perform network calls asynchronously, handling errors, timeouts, and retries so the app stays responsive. Once integrated, test on a device using the deployed server and inspect traffic with the Android Network Profiler. If responses fail, check server logs, verify API authentication, and ensure CORS or firewall rules aren't blocking requests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.